Give me 5 minutes of your time and you understand everything you need to know about indices. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Daniel, and in this channel I teach easy steps on how to solve mathematics. Don't forget to like this video. Please subscribe to this channel. Make use of the comment section if you have any question concerning mathematics, and also turn on the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I drop a video. Let's head up. Indices, as it's written on the board. So indices is the plural of index, which means power or exponent. Let's take for example, we have 3 to the power of 2. This is the base and this is the power. So for us to solve questions or for us to make use of the law of indices, we understand this first. 3 is the base, 2 is the power. Let's state the laws of indices. 1. X to the power of A multiplied by x to the power of B gives us x to the power of A plus B. This law simply means whenever you have a number with a power whenever you have a number to a power multiplying that same number to a power, you just simply add the power. Let's take for example, let's say 2 power 2 multiplying 2 power 3. Yes, following this law, we have 2 plus 3, which will be equal to 2 power 5. So that's what the multiplication law is trying to tell us. Let's look at the law 2, which is the division law. X to the power of A divided by x to the power of B gives us x to the power of A minus B. Also, whenever you have a number to a power dividing also a number to a power, if for you to arrive at your answer, you subtract the power, you write the number and subtract. We have 2 power 2 divided by 2 power 3. Following the division law, we write the 2, since they are the same, power 2 minus 3, which will give us 2 power minus 1. So we can move to law 3. This law 3, x power 0 equal 1. X not equal to 0. This law simply means that whenever you have a number to the power of 0 is equal to 1. Let's take example like 3 to the power of 0 will equal 1. And yeah, they say that whenever is only applicable when x is not equal to 0. As you can see here, 3 is not 0. That's why it's equal to 1. So law 4, x minus a, which is x minus a equals 1 over x to the power of a. This law simply means that whenever you have a number to the power of a negative, which is a negative power, you write it in an inverse form. So let's take an example like 3 minus 1 will give us 1 over 3 to the power of 1. That's what this law simply means. Let's go to the fifth law. X to the power of 1 over A. This is A. Equal to the roots of A and X. This law simply means that X is a number to the power of a fraction. And this root depends on what is the denominator, what is below the fraction, which is the denominator. If it's 2, you take the square root. If it's 3, you take a cube root. If it's 4, you take the fourth root. Let's see an example. We have this example. 4 to the power of 1 over 2, which is half, gives us the roots of 4, which is equal to 2 as our final answer. Let's go to the sixth law. Law 6. X to the power of A B is on X to the power of A B. What this law is trying to tell us that whenever you have a number to the power and it's enclosed in brackets and also to a power, that's power that is outside the bracket affects whatever is inside the bracket, which is multiply whatever is inside the bracket. So let's take an example. 3 to the power of 2 all to the power of 2 gives us 3 to the power of 2 times 2, which is equal to 3 to the power of 4. That's what this law simply means. Let's go to the last law, which is the seventh law. X to the power of A over B equal to. This law is also similar to the fourth law, or it's also similar to the fifth law, but the difference is that the fraction is A over B, while this fraction is 1 over A. So this law will be, so we have the seventh log, X to the power of A over B. This law is similar to the fifth law, but the difference is that the fraction is A over B, which gives us the root of B, open brackets, X power A. Let's illustrate with an example. 3 to the power of 2 over 3. Following this law, to give us 3 or 2. That is what this law is trying to tell us. Whenever you have X or a number to the power of fraction which is not 1, you represent it in this form. We have come to the end of this video. I'll be dropping some questions in the comment section. Make sure you attempt them and drop your answer. Don't forget to like this video. Please subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching. I'll be seeing you in the next video.